Looking for the best Wi-Fi router? Whether you're upgrading for faster speeds, better range, or smoother gaming, we've got you covered. After testing dozens of models, here are the top picks for every budget and need. Best router overall, Linksys Hydra Pro 6 MR5500. If you're ready to upgrade from a basic router, the Linksys Hydra Pro 6 is an excellent choice. With dual-band AX 5400 Wi-Fi 6 support, 160 MHz channel width, and impressive speed performance, this router outperformed more expensive models in our tests. Currently priced at $150, it delivers gigabit speeds without breaking the bank. Best budget router TP-Link Archer AX21. For just $70, the TP-Link Archer AX21 is one of the best entry-level Wi-Fi 6 routers. With speeds up to 1.2 Gbps, seamless band steering, and great range, it's perfect for small to medium homes. In tests, it outperforms similarly priced routers from ECUs and Netgear, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune for reliable Wi-Fi. Best mesh router, TP-Link Deco W7200. For $143, the TP-Link Deco W7200 offers full Wi-Fi 6 support and a tri-band design, ensuring better speeds and coverage for large homes. It competes with high-end mesh systems like the Netgear Orbi-Ax 6000, which cost more than twice as much. The easy setup and automatic satellite connection make this an ideal choice for hassle-free whole-home Wi-Fi. Best gaming router, ASUS RTX 86U. Gamers need low latency and high speed, and the ASUS RTX 86U delivers both. Priced under $300, it features Wi-Fi 6, advanced gaming traffic prioritization, and ultra-low latency, outperforming even pricier gaming routers. Plus, it supports ASUS AMesh, so you can expand your network with additional ASUS routers. Best budget mesh router, Netgear Orbi EC1200. For large homes on a budget, the Netgear Orbi EC1200 is an excellent choice. At just $115 for a 3-device setup, it provides solid coverage and strong signal strength, making it perfect for homes with internet speeds of 300 Mbps or less. The best high-performance mesh router, Netgear Orbi-Ax 6000. If you want elite performance and price is no issue, the Netgear Orbi-Ax 6000 is the top choice. This $400 tri-band system delivers blazing fast speeds with nearly 95% signal consistency at long range. Perfect for gigabit internet users who demand the best possible Wi-Fi performance. Why upgrade your Wi-Fi router? Wi-Fi technology has advanced significantly with Wi-Fi 6 and even Wi-Fi 7 now available. If you haven't upgraded in a few years, you could be missing out on faster speeds, better efficiency, and improved security. How to choose the right router. For small homes' basic needs, TP-Link Archer AX21, $70. For larger homes, TP-Link Deco W7200 Mesh, $143. For gaming high performance, ASUS RTX 86U, $300. For top-tier mesh performance, Netgear Orbi-Ax 6000, $400. Whether you need affordable reliability or premium performance, there's a router for you. Upgrade today and experience faster, smoother Wi-Fi.